Now let's see. Where was I? I wonder which way I ought to go.
Why, you're a cat.
A Cheshire cat, darlings.
Oh, wait. Don't go, please.
Very well. Very well.
Oh, no. Thank you, but I just wanted to ask you which way I ought to go.
That depends on where you want to get to.
Well, it really doesn't matter. As long as I...
Then it really doesn't matter which way you go. Oh, by the way, if you'd really like to know, he went that way.
Who did?
The white rabbit.
He did?
He did what?
Went that way.
Who did?
The white rabbit.
What rabbit?
But didn't you just say... I mean, dear?
Can you stand on your head? However, if I were looking for a white rabbit, I'd ask the Mad Hatter.